Here I come again with another lesson on learning to read, write, and speak Urdu. Today we'll be learning a few words that are starting with the letter B and their meaning in English. आज हम बे से शुरू होने वाले अल्फाज और उनके मानी सीखेंगे. The first word is बयान करना या बयानिया. बयान करना और बयानिया. And the meaning is describe or description. The second is bartari, preeminence. Third is bal, bal, hair. Behoshi, stupor. Bada, it can be large, big, or huge. Bhook, there should be pesh also in it. Bhook, and it is hunger. Bimar, sick. Bimari, sickness. Bacche, children or kids. Buzdil, coward. Banjar, barren. Bhonda, that is ugly. Buland, buland, that is elevated. Beruni, it can be on the outer side or outer. Beruni. Bhari, heavy. That's all for today. Just a few words, and see you in the next video.